Beef update, day 35 on our Fischer Farms product. I'm not gonna be able to get to it on day 40 next week as I'm actually going down to the farm to visit. So we're gonna check what it looks like at day 35, both weight and inside, and then we'll finish the other piece on day 42. So let's weigh these and see what we've lost in 35 days. Started a little over 14 pounds and we're sitting at 12, little over 12 pounds. So we lost about 2 pounds of weight in the dry aging process, and this was with the bone in. So now we're gonna cut it in half. So I'm gonna cook part of it for podcast, and then we're gonna play around with the other half during the podcast. Need a saw to get through these bones. 35-day strip loin, gorgeous. So we're gonna get this trimmed up and ready to cook. There's outside pellicle plus some bone. Obviously, if you're in a butcher shop, they've got bandsaws, they can easily buzz this through, but I don't have that luxury. So, the outside there, that pellicle versus the actual meat. Take that off as well. And obviously we want to stay as close to the outside as possible to get it just a little lost as we can. So there we have it, trimmed top loin. You can see how much product we had to clean off. This is why the price of dry aged steak is so expensive. You go from something about this big to about this big. Massive difference. So let's get these cut up in to some steaks, and we are gonna vacuum seal them. Look at the marbling on that. So good. So vacuum seal these up, and this guy we're gonna save for the podcast. So stay tuned to watch that. Four steaks at one time. Time to throw a couple of these into the sous vide. And the rest will throw in the freezer.